In this video we are talking about if Cardano is going to the upside or if we see a move again to lower levels. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are finally seeing this massive run to the upside for Cardano. And as we go on the daily chart, you can see that we always find support in this purple line. And I said in the last video that the chance is very high that we are breaking to the upside, especially if we are breaking this purple resistance to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. And I will show you now the clip from the last video. But right now I think that the bullish scenario is more likely because we saw support all the way right here. So again, it's really important that we are breaking this last high to the upside, and then the chance is high that we are seeing more higher prices for Cardano. And as you can see, after we broke this purple line to the upside, we then saw the bullish explosion to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Cardano. And I said in the last video that we will find resistance right in this supply zone here. And as you can see, after we made a higher high at this supply zone, we then saw this correction to the downside, but right now we are finding the bullish momentum again to the upside. But now the question is, can we continue our bullish move to the upside for Cardano, or do we see a move to lower levels again? So I think the chance that we are going to the upside is way higher because we saw this explosive move to the upside for Cardano. We right now have this bullish momentum to the upside and we broke this supply zone to the upside again. So I think the chance is high that we go now to higher levels, and I think the next important resistance area is this supply zone right here, because this supply zone right here caused the last lower low and made a break of structure on the daily time frame. So I think the chance is high that we find some resistance right here. But right now we are seeing this bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows all the way. So as long as we don't break this purple line to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we see higher prices for Cardano. Because if we are breaking this last low with a daily or weekly body close, then we are seeing the break of structure to the downside, and then I think the chance is high that we see even lower prices for Cardano. And I think the next important support area is this order block right here, because in this order block we started the move to the upside. So I think the next important support area, if we are breaking this purple line to the downside, is this order block. But if anything interesting happens for Cardano, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Cardano. So all in all, we saw this crazy pump from Cardano to the upside. Congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Cardano as we break this purple resistance to the upside. And right now we are in a bullish structure again. So I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Cardano. And if we are going to the upside, I think the chance is high that we find some resistance in the supply zone. And as long as we don't break this purple support to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Cardano, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.